to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today's going to be a quick harvest. What a beauty. Okie dokie, nothing else. Sad. Okay, and now we're over here. We're going to harvest some of these Turkish eggplant because I think they look great. Aren't they beautiful? They're so pretty. I think there's one over there too I gotta grab. Okay. And then this one here, I'm actually gonna let that one ripen up and save seeds from that one down there because it kind of got a little split at the beginning. And this one's doing fine. Keep falling over though. Okay, and then I have this tomato. I'm gonna let that get even riper for seeds as well. And I'm gonna grab that one over there. Oh no, my onions are starting to pop up. They're not ready yet. I don't want them, I want them bigger. Cute. Are these to roast? $4.71. Good, and now lots and lots of cherry tomatoes. Grab these red cherry peppers. And some of these. There's another one. Here. I already harvested the other one yesterday. Oh my goodness. Okay, pan these tomatoes. Peas, we're gonna grab a couple peas while we're out here. Look how good these beans are doing that I started. They're growing up, very exciting. Check and see if there's any beans over there yet. Ooh, they're coming. Not quite big enough yet, but we're gonna have a lot of beans in here, hopefully. A lot of beans. So that's a pretty decent harvest. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. We almost forgot to weigh it. No. 16.94. It's hard to read.